Hey guys, it's Mew here, back again with FIFA Radio. This time I'm going to be doing a question and answer from questions from my brother, and every time I get one right, then I will open a pack. So, Wayne Rooney's favourite team? Easy. Everton. In case anyone didn't know that, yeah, that is his favourite team. Best YouTubers? 2Sync. Yep. Who does Bale play for? Real Madrid. Yep, of course. What's football in Spanish? Football. Yep. My name. Maisie. Well, they were easy, so I get to open 5 packs now. So yeah. First pack. And I get, oh great. I don't know what to say about that. Pack number 2. And we get, oh, Helton. Oh, great. Pack number 3. Tadic. What? That's a bad pack. Pack number 4. Give me someone good. We have got nobody. And, oh, we get Zengen. Last pack. If we don't get anyone good, then I will cry. Please. Come on. It's the last pack. Oh! We got Saka. Oh, that's good.